Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone Face ID not working. This year of 2023, this is just a recent problem. And error messages look like this one. So Face ID and passcode, the problem was detected with through the camera. Face ID has been disabled. That being said, I'm going to teach you the ways here to do on how to tackle this one, okay? The first thing is of course force restarting your iPhone. Now how do we force restart an iPhone? Simply by holding the volume up button and then volume down button and then the side button or the power button at the same time. Now you might see the slide to turn off button, the usual button when we're turning off our phone. Do not swipe that one, okay? I repeat, I'm sorry about that. I repeat that, do not swipe that one if you see. Keep on holding those lower power button and then the side button until you see your Apple logo comes back again. So the first thing that's going to happen is your screen will turn black, your phone will off. Do not let go until you see your Apple logo comes back on. That being said, the second step should be going back on the settings. Let's go here and then click on general. We're just going to check if we have the latest version of iOS installed. If you have any pending update, please make sure you install it and update it. Next one is going to be resetting Face ID. Go back to General tab right here. Face ID is right there. Import your password real quickly. And as you can see right here, this has the option to reset Face ID. Now by this time, I'm sure 90% of your problem has been fixed. Now let's just see, there is still that 10% persistent problem that's not fixed, okay? Basically go back to settings, hit general right there. At the very bottom part over here, you're gonna say transfer or reset iPhone. Now we're gonna click on reset right there and make sure you click on reset all settings. Once you click on this one, it's just gonna ask for your passcode to proceed with the reset. That being said, that's all the steps I can give you, and I'm sure by this time your Face ID is working. So thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Have a safe one.